Hey guys, my name is Anushka Menon and this is the 90-minute app challenge. Here you're going to learn how to make your very own game app, and I hope you are as excited as I am. Before we start to learn to code, understand what the meaning of coding is. Coding is basically an act of creating code. What is code, you ask? Code is basically a set of instructions that you give the computer that is set in a logical order. Think of the computer as your pet dog or cat if you prefer. Now, your cat or dog do not normally talk to you or you to them, right? But how do you communicate with your pet? You basically give them actions or expressions. The same way, the computer needs a certain set of instructions given to it in a very specific manner. Through this session, we are going to learn how to create code to make your version of the Flappy Bird app. For those who are familiar with the game, you must know that it is basically a game about a bird flying through the air and passing through obstacles. Every time you pass through an obstacle, you score a point. That's how it's a game. Through the next series of videos, you will learn how to make this particular game and you will learn how to think and plan like a coder. I hope you are ready.